I didn't get a chance to wash my car. It's filthy. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you guys can probably tell by the title and the thumbnail, we're gonna take my guy's BMW M340. It's a 2021 with the mild hybrid system, and we're gonna be installing JB4. Yo, I never knew you had the MST. Whew. Oh, it does come with the bracket down there, the VRSF. You installed it yourself. These things are so easy to install, man. Now, if you guys are familiar with my car, it's a 2020, pre-June 2020, I think. Let me double check on that. When is the production date? Where could you see the production date on this? Yeah, see? The production date right here. I don't know where it's at. Yeah, see? 10/19. So this is a pre-June 2020 ECU, which could be tuned, and it's unlocked. Some cars may require bench unlocks, but then just some cars will just flash over the OBD. This was a flasher over the OBD. This car is a 2021. This ECU is post-June 2020, so you can't crack it. Ain't no, well, you could crack it, but it's just a lot of money. Back in the days before you could tune a lot of these BMWs, this is what everyone ran. And I'm pretty sure through time, JB4 has gotten way better. Like, just look at the quality of it, to be honest with you. You have a couple of different harnesses, which these tap into the system. It should be fairly easy.
T-map, this one will be by the charge pipe, and then the other one by the electronic wastegate.
Oh, right, yeah, I forgot about that.
So you got this one right here. That one goes down here to the
wastegate.
The wastegate right there. And that's it. And then you literally just plug it up.
Yeah, you're good to go. This one goes to the car, but you already routed this.
Yeah, that goes through the firewall to the OBD. And then that's pretty much it. And then you download the app and then
you're good to go.
Good to go. You didn't do much to the car. I did a couple.
Hey, tell them what you got done.
All right. Nothing crazy. Just downpipe MST intake. That shit sounds crazy.
Yeah, the MST sounds crazy. Yeah. I thought I had a leak right here, and a couple of them, it sounded so good.
Once in a while, I gotta pop the hood and check and make sure the filter's still on, cause sometimes it's loud.
Yeah, it sounded real loud.
Front lip, eBay special. Got the carbon fiber spoiler in the back. 15mm BMS wheel spacers. Stock rims, nothing crazy.
I look nice though, the way it poke out. You upgrade the tires too.
Oh yeah,
you put the Michelin
PS4s, all seasons, or 225/40. I didn't go crazy. The stock rims. It moves though for a family sedan.
Yo, that's what yeah.
It moves, you know. This shit's comfortable. You got plenty of space. I bought a TV the other day, had it in the trunk, no problem. So, yeah, that's what I
put a 65. I was like, it fit right on the edge in the box and everything.
I got pictures. I bought a 65 with Sony cause I just copped the Xbox and PS5. Bro, it literally fit like you had less than an inch on each side.
Yeah. Yo, you could tell a difference too now, cause mine has a spare. You see? Yeah, cause my spare sits down here.
My shit's lower level.
My car came with 9 run flats. You know. Oh God. Yeah, bro. You can fit 2 bodies in this one. You only fit 1 in mine, bro. Yeah, guys, here we go. That thing is clean, man. Yo, black cars, when you see these newer black ones coming out, like the G80, this one, and a couple other new ones, man, they just look so good. Here we have my little dusty thing right here. Well, some people just like to run it for easy use. They can pop it in and pop it out. Some people stack it on tunes if you're still able to get your car tuned. They have certain fail-safes built into them. And then some people, you just can't tune them at all, like this car right here, the M340. So this is the only way really to get around it. Unless you want to pay thousands of dollars to like Visconti and those guys, take out your ECU and ship it to Russia. But then again, I've also heard that doesn't work for these cars too, bro. Because the electric motor or something like that.
Yeah, I heard some of them have some issues.
Yeah, so
I'm not trying to drop $6,000.
Yeah, and then have issues, yeah. That JB4 module is like a little computer box, and what it does is it takes the inputs from the sensors on the car, just does some manipulations, and boom. Let's say it's reading 10 pounds of boost. The JB4 will tell the computer that it's reading 7 pounds of boost, so then the computer cranks it up 3 PSI, and, you know, accommodates for all the fuel trims and everything like that about a DME.
So that's the map sensor, and that's the rainbow ones. So look, even JB4 got it set up for you like that.
I was one of those guys. Now, well, I don't even know if you could do it now, but I was one of those guys where I would take out my JB4 before I go to the dealer. So I would get dealer service, I'd take out JB4, go to the dealer, get the service. But whatever loaner I was in, I didn't want it to be slow. Like I had an X3 with the M55. I didn't want it to be slow. So I put the JB4 in the loaner, yo. It was moving, bro. It was moving. I dropped the JB4 in the loaner and I run around. Yo, one time I almost left it. I drove into the dealer, bro. I drove into the dealer with the JB4 and I thought about it like last minute. And I turned out. I said, yo, I gotta get gas. I turned out, went around the corner, popped out the JB4 and then took it back. But yeah, even my loaners were tuned, bro. Don't do that now.
That's a little obsessed. This guy into here. No.
Is there other way? Just flip it around, yeah. You know how it go. You can't even mess it up. That's how.
Yeah. So that's in the clips. Flip that in. And you take this plug.
I like the way this is black too. It kind of blends in with all the rest of the stuff. I guess you could, you know, put the wires around where you want them to later on.
Yeah. Make sure it's working, then come back and
come back and tighten everything in.
Sure.
Yo, it is freezing, bro.
Bro, it's cold.
Like
that's why I'm barely talking.
Yeah, that's what I say too. People, yo, I apologize for my videos recently as of the weather, cause it's cold. It's 28 degrees right now, or like 29.
Bro, I think it's less than that.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yo, just tap in with this. This is right here.
Right here. All right, cool. I got you. There we
There
go.
you go.
That one is there.
Back in.
Here.
Alright, now the hardest part.
Yeah.
Wastegate. What happens with this cover? It slides out, right?
Let me see.
Like, I don't want to take it off and then. Oh, it's right here. I got it.
You got it?
Yeah, it just slides back.
Can you? Is it reachable?
Yeah, like look, the connector's right there now. You see?
Oh, right here?
Yeah. There you go.
It's right there.
You wanna bring this underneath or which one you wanna route it before we connect it?
Underneath.
Underneath. Just show me whatever way you wanna route it is. Drop this into the way. Yeah. Alright, so now we just gotta put this aluminum foil thingy. Why do you put this on here, you know?
P-shoes, I guess.
That makes sense. That means that I don't know if mine has that.
Oh, we gotta check.
But everything looks pretty good. Wastegate, T-map, and map. I think that's the absolute map or something like that. Manifold pressure.
That's that. Let's plug it in now.
Wow, you don't even connect this to the battery or anything like that? That's it?
No, that's it.
Oh, mine before you had to wire across to the battery terminal and everything. And you guys know this car is back to factory stock. One good comparison we can see is stock versus JB4. Maybe a little bit difficult because it's rear wheel drive and I got a grip and then he's all wheel drive, but it'd be nice to do a couple quick pulls to understand how much the JB4, I mean, I'm pretty sure it does turn up power. We could go for a little drive and see how it feels, but you know, I've always wondered. Caught the steal of a lifetime, 50% off on eBay for this JB4.
Absolutely. And it came with everything.
Yeah, it came with everything. Oh, the Bluetooth module too, right?
Yeah, Bluetooth.
For $350. Oh. Yo, this is the open port wood?
Yeah.
Oh, I like that. Oh.
Steering wheel.
Yeah.
There's a discount code on my page for that. You want to get that. It's just a wrap, simple. But it feels good, carbon fiber. You get to choose whatever you want. Stitching, everything.
Yo, got the ambient lighting on here too, man.
All right, let's see.
We running, what's going on?
Let's see. This ain't connected.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
Guys, it was that simple. JB4 is on the M340 2021. We're gonna go out, do some passes. I'm gonna compare it to how my car feels when it goes in the boost. And I'm gonna get his reaction too because he drives this thing every day, so he would know more than I would. It's cold. Yo, look at my hands. It's cold, bro. It's really cold. wood though, the ambient lighting, yo man. If I'd had something like this, I'd have probably kept my car. if I'd have had it like done up like this, I'd have definitely kept it. Man, got the all around joints. Look, that car blowing in the junkyard, bro.
This guy's crazy.
Map 2.
We're 93.
I would say map 2 because
let's do 3.
Map 3. Let's do 3.
Save a map.
Yo, this dude.
Damn, hype right now. I'm about to go crazy. This car, I got it from BMW, but I designed it.
Yeah.
So it took me like 2.5 months to get it. But everything I did, I want it all blacked out, murdered.
Nah, it's nice, bro. I like it. I like the ambient lighting too. Trying to think where you could go to open it up. You probably back there is probably smart. Wait, which way are you talking about?
Go
What's the?
Okay.
You noticed that?
Okay. Okay.
Yo.
Alright, fuck it. Let's go sport. Let's see.
Oh yeah, that was comfort.
That was comfort. Sport plus. Let's see.
No, put the transmission over. Yeah, the sport like that. Yeah. Yo, alright, bro. Brakes. Oh shit, yo. I'm a terrible passenger, bro. Yo. Yo, it's smooth, bro. Yo, it's just so crazy how it's like it doesn't spin. Like my car just spins like
all-wheel drive, but that's wild.
Yeah, I know.
But and then these like, PS4s are fucking, they're amazing. I love them.
Yo, I think
if I had the Bridgestones, the original run flats, they would have spin probably.
Yo, I appreciate X Drive, bro.
Yo.
Like I appreciate X Drives. Well, I drive the E90 every day, so I'm pretty sure you see the 340 be parked up like in the same spot, bro. That thing doesn't even move.
Yeah, but what you about to get though?
Yeah, I gotta drive.
About to get?
Yo, man, I'm just sick and tired of waiting at this point. I'm sick and tired of waiting.
2.5 months from this.
Oh, yo, bro, yo. Ooh, I got PTSD, bro. Yo, PTSD is real, by the way, too. I just want to let you know that, son. Like, yo, if something traumatic happened in your life, bro, that shit's, whew.
So you in drive, bring you here. Park.
Yeah, I like that shit, too. Yeah.
Hold on. Let's do this.
This guy turned everything off, bro.
Speed camera, 0.25.
0.25. You got a lot of miles then. Well, I meant not a lot of miles, but you got a lot of room.
Oh,
0.25, that's.
Try this again. One more time. I don't think it activates with the shit.
Oh yeah, let's let go. Oh, yo, bro, damn, son, this is, yo, I see why people, all right, bro, I ain't gonna lie to you, I see why people get the X Drive.
No,
that shit's scary, bro, what?
Oh, shit.
Yo, you taught me X Drive is nice.
Yo.
I hate X Drive, like, cause the type of driving that I do is like, X Drive is like, I don't know, I've driven a lot of BMWs, like Cam Rose type of thing, and the X Drive is just like the front. I heard the cops. The front, I don't know how to explain it, bro. It's like understeers a lot. The rear wheel drive, I can kind of like, but
I can see you have more control.
Yeah, but I need a drag radial to pull G's like this, bro. Like that's crazy, son.
JB4, get it. You thinking about getting it? Get it.
Yeah.
Unless you could tune, though. If you could tune, don't get a JB4. Just get the tune.
Yeah, but this is. Like, you ain't really missing out on nothing, yo. You know what I mean? Like... Woo! Woo!
Okay. You definitely feel it more when you launch.
You have like a little burble. Was it always like that?
No, it gets burbly.
Oh.
A little crazy sometimes. Over to the back.
Yo, that first gear hit? Bro, this is a fast car.
Oh, this is way better.
Bro, what the fuck?
JB4, G20?
Yo.
I don't even know what fucking car I got right now. What is this?
Yeah, this is a missile. I'm telling you,
it.
you're gonna be disappointed you get in my car. It spins, bro.
Yeah?
It spins, yeah.
I'll do it.
I'll take you for a run in it. See, it spins. You see that? It just spins, bro. You see that? It just spins.
See, I killed myself.
See what I'm saying, bro? This is fun in the sense of like I'll show you.
Hey. Nah, that's I want to do that. I can't do that in my car.
You know, like, okay, I'm going straight. Me, I'm like, yo, we could hit that. We could hit that. Like,
fuck your options. Always gotta have options.
You see what I'm saying? It feels more violent because it's catching the spin. You know what I mean? Like, look, my launch is, oh, this is useless. I'll turn traction control on, watch. This is useless, bro. Damn it, how you do this? You see what I'm saying? Like, it doesn't.
Oh, this is stock?
Yeah, stock, factory stock, yeah. It just spins, bro.
Maybe it feels crazy because I'm in the passenger seat?
Yeah, that's probably what it is. Yeah. Because this dog shit's slow, bro.
Ooh. This house is crazy.
Yeah, yo, these houses.
Love this houses.
These just like $2 million things though, bro.
Yeah.
Expensive. Because you look at one of these little 1-floor joints, and it's like 1.2 million.
Yeah. Real estate value is way too high.
That's the thing,
it's
bro.
Too much. And then you look at Texas, anywhere else,
yes,
$300,000, you buying a mansion.
Bro, my sister was sending me some houses she was gonna buy. Where she's at, bro, it's like 150 for a house, like a whole big ass house. I'm like, what? Like, that's crazy. Over here, that's gonna be like $1 million, bro. Yeah, you see what I'm saying? It's two different types of, you know? Yeah. Like, that was fun though, I ain't gonna lie, because it's actually technically faster. This is just more, you know, ratchet. That's all. That's all it really is, bro. That wraps it up, man. Nice little JB4, man.
JB4 installed 2021.
For the win. For the win.
Let's take a nap now.
Yeah, I'm gonna get out of here. Yo, hold on, let me get a thumbnail for this.